Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna play toobold 3 that I want to show you the Misty Town 4 in Chicken Gun. So let's see. Create game. See? Misty's Town 4. Misty's Town 4 in new game in Chicken Gun. Wow. But it's toobold, really. Toobold 3 game. And also there's new items in here. Chicken Gun will remove all items. And new item from the here, and also this water could be added in it, and also water is also added, and also this one, and also secret room here and here, secret door, and also there is more. See, Misty barn and new map barn 2. This could be added in Chicken Gun. New map, I'm right guys? And also new house. Let's go. Cannot get up, but I hope this update will come. Secret room. Let me show you around in this barn. See? New animation. I hope they add graphics in this map. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button for more updates. Okay, bye.